started a game.
So Andrew, are you after money or like?
Money.
Let's speed.
Money.
No trophy map.
You
Trying to
literally
do
aren't
all.
even this far.
You know there's gonna be
Wait, Maya,
somebody
look.
there. Unless, yep,
Oh,
they're all
those
that way.
mines
They're
blow
all
up
that
if
way.
you're too-
Oh,
if you're
I'm
too
a
close to
goner.
them.
Oh yeah, they're proximity.
Oh, I need to heal points. That's the
Perhaps?
quest.
Oh, I don't.
That means I just. Oh,
There's
nice
some
job,
parts of the
Bull.
ocean that are
You're just
way
a
too
champ.
dangerous.
Oh yeah, he knew I was gonna try to come after him,
Okay,
so he
so
just
bad,
charged.
bad.
I need help! Help me! Help me! Oh crap, we're all dead! Oh, nope. Mama, whatever his name is.
Anyways, I want to see the
Uh-oh,
map real
Bull,
quick.
stay back.
I wanna get a
Bull,
good
don't
view.
get wrecked.
I didn't think of that. Actually, like looking at the map.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. All absorbed all those gems. Oh, I'm such a good Poco. Oh, yes. Oh, we both died to the spikes. Oh, no. He's gonna die. Not if I can help it. Yes, never mind. He died.
Oh,
And
so
I
there's
couldn't help it.
So there's this giant tanker,
Oh really?
and there's a chest on it.
See,
Why are we constantly killing each other? This is not
Just to the right of
fun.
the spawn is a
Oh,
giant ship.
it's the Rico that's
I
killing
haven't been
us.
able to get far in that ocean just because.
You don't know how to get around the place.
What? No. Well, if you go a
You
certain
can't
depth in the
beat
ocean,
me.
you
I'm just too
automatically
good.
run
Yes,
into,
I'm just
those
too good.
Little eels that you can't kill because you.
Well,
need
it's
to
not
be
winning
in
now. I'm
XXL.
wanting. I want. Whoa! I just healed a
And
lot.
just like, I was just so like, oh, come on. I got a Mega Goldrush in the same place. Hey, Trevor, yo, stop doing these mine things, Trevor. I need a moment.
Get a role play.
Yeah, that's the only bad thing about Trevor
Yeah,
is
when I'm actually trying to just eat all the mines. Oh, he was tasty. Why?
Finally in the
In
game.
3 minutes, I hit.
This map is so good, especially for Poco, cause he gets pierces.
Oh no,
You know, cause I'm just. Oh yes.
just wiping out the nearby fish population. No biggie.
I've already made. Yeah, dude, I'm farming.
Hopefully-
The money so fast. The money is mine. Ow, ow. This guy's shooting me pretty heavily.
Oh, he can take him out, right? Yep, just blast a rocket. What's? Oh, we got an AFK.
Oh, Trevor, where are you? Oh,
Yeah,
those
just
are-
charge in there, Bull. Come on, Bull. Come on. Oh, the bull's still alive. Oh, he probably charged over to the heel. Or no, wait. The springs you to the heel.
Oh, that was
Come
money.
on, bro. Oh,
I
Brock's
got on
Bull.
the ship. I finally got on the ship. Yep, I got on the ship.
China place?
Yep,
Oh,
you have to but you have to go from the right side.
the right
The left side is impossible, and there will
Oh, hey,
chest nail. That's what
Oh,
it's gonna be for.
we did it. Oh,
Anyways, bro, the chests give you so much in this place.
Wait, really? Oh.
Yeah, bro.
But dude, it's so hard to live. I mean,
Oh,
okay, as long as you stay on the surface, you're probably fine.
oh no. Dynamite's gonna get everything, and then he's gonna.
The
Oh.
stray humans are really necessary to my survival. Thing is, my pets can't come up here, so I can't get that bird, and I die of starvation. But I don't want to do another ad to get the map, so I'm gonna save myself.
Oh, I can't
'Cause I got two
heal.
chests
At least I think I did the quest. Oh yeah, I did the quest. 430. That gives me exactly 2. Just
All I need to be an
I got a bunch of
XXL
good
for
things.
that.
how much moolah I got? Oh, back to 300.
If you're not doing the Chinese
Oh,
Sea,
Remove.
which you are right now, then I recommend going straight to the Atlantic.
I'm gonna get you to
Unless you want better
Head.
boosts, which apparently is the Pacific right now. squid.
I love.
I love refrigerators.
Okay.
There's a severe lack of food.
I annihilated that Rico.
Oh, that's a great white. Oh, that's a great white. That's two great whites.
That's a what?
That's two great whites.
Oh,
I'm heading
yeah.
idle. I'm heading down this path.
I just annihilated.
Oh no. That was too close. Almost got turned into a shark.
Yeah, I believe 60 boost is the max. No, 72. Hold the.
Guys, keep it down. Keep it down low. Who plays bull on this map? They must be sad right now. They must be sad to play bull on this map. They're just really sad. Let's go. Yeah, you gotta feel bad for bull. You just take him up. Oh yeah. Just keep playing and winning and keep playing and winning until you win everything. Yes. Power. Golden. What's the skin in the shop is? Nah, don't look good enough.
Oh, where are all the mines?
Oh! That's one. I survived the one-shot mine. Hold up.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I ran face first into it and lived.
No,
Did
it's
Trevor
cool
blow
skin.
it up for you?
No. Oh, you're right. That is a one-shot squid.
Oh, it does one-shot you?
No. I mean, it wasn't a one-shot squid.
Oh.
But it was draining my health like mad. Like, I accidentally brushed up and that's a whale sharks.
Holy cow, dude.
Bam bam, here comes Pam.
I need to look at the map. There's a treasure chest down there. Great, I was just down there. Couldn't have done it. Ow, 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 all those little snakies suck balls.
Andrew.
I'm just getting spammed by this freaking helicopter.
You shouldn't.
Oh, just back to back.
Oh, that's sad.
I got quite a bit of money anyways.
Oh, me?
Money. Not me.
You're not allowed to take out my heel.
Oh no, there's nothing but garbage around here. What am I doing? Oh, and great white one-shots. No.
As long
I'm
as
just
I
trying to
stay in
stop
my
trying
heel,
to
I can
shoot.
annihilate
Not
you.
that bad unless-
15,000 per round.
Now I have my ult.
Or-
I have
or
10. I'm going to annihilate. Oh, yo,
Good catch, Andrew.
nice.
Trevor, can you
Yeah, Trevor knows what he's doing.
Yep, we get another. Oh, whoa,
Gold rush.
Pam.
The
Just-
Kraken and Trevor
yeah.
are very useful.
Yeah, very useful.
No, I don't want a
Wait,
gold.
My most
where's
trophies.
the last-
I don't want a gold.
Bull.
rush
I
on
was
me.
binging on bull. I guess. I'd been binging on bull. Diagon Alley. Diagon Alley.
Diagonal alley.
Oh wow! If
Diagonal Alley. Diagon Alley.
If Trevor blows up a mine too close to you,
I can have dash. Okay, let's go.
it's not good.
Boom, 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 boom. Whatever. Yes.
Oh, destroying that saved me.
Let's go.
No, there's nothing but jump, jump, jump.
Oh, wait, I'm playing with a star powered dynamite? What? I wonder if he has Dino Jump or the other star power. The other. All I gotta do is get my ult off you. That's all I want.
Ow, off of me, shark.
But I don't want to use my ult.
What is all the garbage doing now?
Just messing around. And
Nice.
popping rock.
Oh no. Oh, Dynamite's dead.
Yes. Dang it.
Oh.
4 million
Oh.
plus is
Oh, I was
impossible
just
to play.
barely gonna win.
Nothing but
This
garbage.
Dynamite's outplaying this El Primo.
Please.
Like you would know about our playing.
Andrew.
Oh yeah.
Trevor's just running all around, blowing stuff up. Sounds like Trevor. 'Cause, you know, I know Trevor personally.
We are blowing up the map. Me and this Dynamite are just like,
Why is there so much garbage?
my ult just blows up everything in its path.
I got stuck on a.
Oh, she slowed me. I'm dead. And her turret's ham up. Our Dynamite and Bali just
I don't want a great white
bar.
That's the opposite of what I want.
And I don't want garbage either. Bad garbage. Some guy just fell out of the helicopter and I ate him.
Probably in an argument, and they were like, "Yo, push him out of the helicopter. I don't care."
Ow, I'm getting absolutely.
We all have gadgets. One of us has star power.
Sees me, it's like, yo, open fire. We're making.
Oh, I got annihilated. I wonder what star powers the Nita has.
Oh,
I hate not knowing about what star power somebody has. It makes me so mad.
I need to get out of here.
Oh no! I didn't know. Oh, it kicked me out of that.
Why is there so much garbage all over the place?
Wait, there's actually one letter for me to get left.
Wait, get it.
Wait, get it.
No, I need to go back out to the water. I'm about to get a mega gold rush. No. No.
I love how the bases look like the ones in Harry
I
Potter.
could eat Mega
The
Mouse,
vaults.
even though they look big.
Oh, she has the super swipe.
Yo.
His bear was a champ. Oh, I love that bear. Wait, that's Monkey. The monkey I played with last game. Oh, you traitorous.
Monkey.
Oh, that was the monkey I played with last game. Oh, how could you, monkey? Monkey. I'm gonna kill monkey.
William,
There's no birds. When you go to the Puffin Rock and there's no puffins.
Monkey, you traitorous scum.
I'm dying to garbage.
All of a
I'm
sudden,
dying to garbage.
The great white population has skyrocketed for some reason.
They probably sensed the
They
mastermind.
sensed me getting stronger when I yeah, let's eat him.
Wait, no, that I can't. No, wait, she's taking so much money.
5 million. Almost 6
A
million.
million, a million, a million.
Definitely not how much money it was. Just saying.
How do you get so much money on Chunky?
Oh, I'm not.
21 money.
But no food. I'm gonna croak.
Yeah.
Bro, you're at max health.
Okay.
Well, then I decided to eat
Star Power
the entire
8 bit.
family of fish.
Oh, be quiet, 8 bit.
Okay. I know there's like a couple fish. There's fish down here, and I need to hit that submarine one more time. Yeah.
I'm so.
I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
Like the name is literally Hungry Shark, and for a very good reason. This guy, once you eat a little too much.
Oh, we got cornered.
Now, you really get a little too hungry. It's too close to the mine. Sorry, Great Whale.
You ain't gonna get me.
Sure will. not
I'm
Great
gonna
Whale.
be good.
Money
Why?
Money doesn't feed. I'm eating a bunch of like dollar bills, and I'm like,
Money doesn't read, money doesn't read, money read.
5,891,857, 24,000 coins.
Oh, I love destroying.
Wait, what map are you in?
Bum,
What
bum.
map are you in?
Just the China Sea.
No, I don't want that.
Maybe
I
I should
don't
do
want that. I
Tennessee.
don't.
Oh, that jellyfish
It's
hurts.
over.
The big one?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
big
dude,
one.
I don't even go close to that thing. That thing scares me.
No, there's
I
fucking
pee my pants when I see seafish, jellyfish.
Dude.
alien.
Also, have you gone to? Have
Wow.
you seen the yellow?
Goodbye.
Those ones. I